so much. Welcome to PJ's Kitchen. Ooh, hot. Hi friends, Chef PJ here. Today we're going to be making the most amazing Caesar salad dressing recipe. It's creamy, it's very flavorful, it sticks to the lettuce. Let's get started and we'll follow this recipe together. So here we're just starting with our mayonnaise. We're adding all of our ingredients. It's so good. In a second, we're going to mix all those ingredients together before we add the vinegar and the lemon juice. You'll see at the end. Friends, a reminder, if you love this recipe, please share this with your friends. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's free. Like, share, leave a comment below if you make it. Let me know if you loved it. Okay, we're adding the vinegar and the lemon juice. This is amazing. I can't stop. There's the consistency that you're looking for. Coats the back of the spoon. Not too runny. It's going to stick to the lettuce and toppings so beautifully. Okay, now we're going to assemble this salad. Some tomato, ham, turkey, mozzarella cheese. Oh, look how beautiful that dressing is, folks. It's right here. Please make this at home. I'd love for you to try it. Let me know what you think. And folks, don't forget, in the description below you'll find a link online where you can purchase my Fontecchio's marinara sauce. Thank you for watching. So good.